Okay, so me and my husband Aaron are going on an extended stay, and so I just wanted to do a vlog documenting everything. Our two French bulldogs are going with us, Avah and Ace. And so first I'm gonna start by showing you guys what I'm packing for them. We usually don't travel with our dogs, but I just didn't feel right leaving them for an extended amount of time and boarding. So I'm just going to show you guys what we're bringing for them. Let's see here. Okay, so first I have this waterproof carbon seat cover, and so we're gonna be taking my car. It's a small SUV. It's a Hyundai. So we're gonna be putting that, and then I bought them a new soft plush bed, okay? And it bends, so I could just kind of fold it and put it in a spot in the car, and it should be pretty easy to travel with. And then of course, mommy's got their bowls, their treats. My daughter gets ear infections a lot, so I brought some stuff for that and some dry shampoo. As well as regular shampoo, and then there's their water bowls. The dog food is already in the car. They have no idea that they're going, because they usually don't go with us when we travel, but they're wondering what this is all about. So okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing and taking with me. So I bought a workout mat because, you know, I don't want any excuses as to why I can't work out. You know, I'm not gonna make no excuse saying the floor is dirty, etc. Like, I'm working out, even if there's no gym. I also have here our emergency. Aaron gets sick whenever the seasons change. So I drink a lot of teas. I'm not really big on coffee because it's just too much for me. Like, it makes me really jittery, my head hurts, and I can't think straight. So if you know me, I don't really drink a lot of coffee, but I love tea. I have in here like green tea, vanilla spice, yogi tea, bedtime tea in case I'm having some issues going to sleep. I do have throat coat in here as well. So I'm just extra prepared on the teas, okay? Gotta have the teas. Everything else is gonna be just like the regular stuff. I probably am bringing too many pairs of shoes, but you know, you gotta have your shoes. Yeah, so as far as the things that I'm doing to kind of keep the house together, I cleaned yesterday. I did so much cleaning. I was so tired. I could not even like move by the end of the day. I was so tired. Plus I went and got my eyelashes done. I got my eyebrows done. In this bag right here, this is where I'm putting my laptop. My Apple Watch is in here too, and I have all my journals. So I have a lot of them for different things. Each one has something different written in it. So yeah, I'm pretty much packed up with all of my stuff. Let's see what Aaron is packing. I had to show y'all this. So this was Aaron's only suitcase at first. This is what he's traveled with for like the last 2 years. I'm not lying. At least the last 2 years. I don't know how he fit all his stuff in there, but he finally got him a new suitcase. What you in here packing? What you in here packing?
And all the important electronics. Got the laptop, got the camera, got everything. He's gonna be on the move.
On me. All right, party animals, it is about that time to go ahead and close everything up. Let's hope I can close up my suitcase.